Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you a hidden Windows trick to end a task instantly. Normally we open Task Manager, search for the program, and then click End Task. Kinda slow, right? But Windows has a secret option you can unlock. Just open the Start menu and go to Settings. Click on System, then open For Developers option. Now, enable End Task option. Once it's enabled, just right-click any program on your taskbar and hit End Task. Boom! It closes instantly. No more Task Manager hassle. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Windows tricks, and let me know in the comments. Did you already know about this feature?